Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 42 schedule. I hope you have completed your weekend revision plan. Now let's move on today's to-do list. From today, we will start focusing more on mains level preparation. First, we start with quants. Today's topic is profit and loss. Revise the concepts from basic to advanced level. Practice prelims level questions to strengthen your basics. Next, watch mains level DI class. Try to solve one mains level DI set. It may be difficult, but don't skip it. Just try your best. After that, solve 5 to 10 basic level DI sets. It will improve your speed and accuracy. Next, reasoning. Today's topic is input and output. We have already practiced this topic regularly, but today focus on the complete chapter. Practice questions from basic to advanced level. Start with basic level questions if needed. Then solve one mains level puzzle set or watch any video class. Practice 10 prelims level puzzle sets. Next, English. Watch the editorial class and analyze it and understand the concepts very well. Learn new vocabulary words and note them down. Then watch video classes on how to approach English mock test or take a sectional mock test. Also, choose a new weekly topic and continue the practicing it daily. Next, computer awareness. Today topic is computer memory. Watch the video classes or read notes and try to complete the topic today. Finally, current affairs. Take a today's notes or printouts, revise them properly, and attempt quizzes. From today, start revising your previous current affairs notes as well. You can revise using weekly or monthly PDFs based on your preference. That's all about today's schedule, guys. Stay focused, stay consistent, and now is the time to achieve our target. Bye, guys.